Welcome back to Custom Fabricating Solutions YouTube channel. I'm Rob. Today we're going to talk about some new things, how we're selling the axle kit. Before, if you bought the tire option with us, it was a bolt together rim. Now we have a two-piece welded rim. We think it looks a little cleaner. The kit, when you order it or when you buy it from us, comes standard as shown here. Once you select the model and or brand, you're going to get a variation of these components. All of them will get the hardware kit. Don't want to forget to mention we are going to be offering these in these other brands and models. There are two other ways that you can build the kit. You can add a kickstand, but you go to a different listing to do that. If you want to have run flat tires, we have a separate listing for that. I wish we could make it simpler, but at least you know you can add and make the kit customized to your needs. All these products can be found on our website, Custom Fabricating Solutions. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget, you need the best, choose CFS. See you next time.